Hello, friends. The glorious Quran emphasizes the point that even those species which are generally considered as insignificant deserve to be treated as communities, irrespective of their usefulness or their effectiveness. Birds too have individual and social life like members of a human community. In other words, they are like communities in their own right and they too have rights. What I would like to tell you is there was a follower of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, may peace be upon him, Hazrat Abu Darda radi Allahu anhu used to buy sparrows from children and free them and would say, fly away and lead a free life. So causing distress to birds and animals for sake of amusement is forbidden.